Here's a 2016 Toyota Camry. Proclaim your sense of style and sensibility with the bold, aggressive design and exciting yet efficient performance of this sporty sedan. The roomy interior is ready for you to command with Entune audio with a touchscreen display, Bluetooth, and a power driver's seat. The rear-view camera makes parking and backing up easier than ever, while the Star Safety System is constantly looking after you.
The climate control lets you set the temperature exactly where you want it. Hindsight is 20/20 with a backup camera. The heated seats keep you comfortable no matter how cold it is.
Reward yourself with one of the most recognizable and reliable cars on the road. Make this Camry yours today.
Buy with confidence at Toyota of Cool Springs. We are conveniently located at 1875 West McEwen Drive in Franklin, Tennessee.